on the corner selling rock. Preachers pray to God.